Approaching the junction, left mirror, indicate left. Look to the right if it's safe to emerge, making progress up the road. Check in your rear view mirror as you leave the junction. We are turning left at the roundabout, first exit. On approach to the roundabout, look to the right, anticipating when there's going to be a space. There's lots of traffic, so we're looking for a blocker or a gap. There's a gap, let's emerge and make progress up the road. The speed limit on this road is 30 miles per hour. Approaching the roundabout, we're going to cross, taking the second exit. Check your right mirror, then look to the right approaching the roundabout. It's clear, so let's make progress. Look left, indicate left. Notice that the speed limits change. Let's make progress up the hill. At the roundabout, turn right, third exit. Right mirror, indicate right. Now move into the middle lane, continuing to indicate to the right. Making progress. There's exit 1, remain in the middle lane, continuing to indicate right. Approaching exit 2, spiral into the left-hand lane and indicate left. Make progress onto the A19 heading north.